Roger, Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Roger, taxi via Delta line up 35, report ready.
Delta line up 35, report ready. Request
44959, Roger, wind calm, runway 35, instruction Delta cleared for takeoff, remain on frequency.
Delta cleared for takeoff, runway 35, remain on frequency, confirm.
Nana 59, identified, continue climb to flight level 240, proceed direct to Toulon.
Direct 240 and to Toulon, gravity 4959. ATC
4959, go.
You clear out for takeoff and there was a car on the runway.
Across 4959, yes, I was aware. I told him to leave the runway to the left.
Do we have to make a report for that? That's quite dangerous, you know.
Say again, please.
Do we have to report that incident because it's quite dangerous?
If you wish to, you can make the report, sir.
Roger, thank you.
And just to confirm, will you make the report?
I don't know, sir. I'm still thinking about that. That's really a big incident, but I don't like to make reports because I know that you will be in trouble, you know. Or you can let an aircraft take off with a car on the runway, you know.
44959, I'm aware of that. That wasn't me, but the ground operations are aware of the situation.
But does not do nothing because if I reject the takeoff, I may be in the car. So it would be better to take off at that case. But yeah, you have a radar on the ground to see or to check that?
And it was a misunderstanding here in the tower. We have also ground radar. 44959, Roger. We'll report the situation as well. You can contact now Madrid Control 136.355. Over.
136.355, request 44959. As a commander, I need to do the report. Sorry for that.
Yeah, no problem.